guys, Rob from Ultimate Diesel Tuning. Today we've got a 2019 Mitsubishi Triton MR in our Brisbane store for a custom dyno tune. These Tritons are an awesome bit of gear in every way, and fitment of a tough new front bar along with suspension lift really finishes the look off nicely, as you can see. Before it hits the dyno, we have just given it its pre-tune inspection. This is a crucial part to the tuning procedure here to ensure that the engine is in good condition, all fluid levels are good and there are no fluid leaks evident. Even though this is a new car, we'll perform this inspection. So this Triton is now ready to hit the dyno for the custom dyno tune. This MR Triton is used as a daily driver, for drives on the beaches and trips off-road as well. The owner has instructed to us that with the tune he is chasing better response down low, so less turbo lag, plus he's after more power and torque too. So with the tune, we're going to be tuning it for what it's used for and concentrating on achieving his goals for him. First of all, for our custom dyno tuning procedure, we carry out power runs on our all-wheel drive dyno in standard form to get base power and torque figures at the wheels. This is how we know which vital information and figures we are starting off with for each vehicle, as every engine is different. We also test to confirm the engine is running correctly with no underlying issues, and then we carry out the custom dyno tune. Our tuning process involves altering the software within the vehicle's factory ECU. Using our specialist software, our engineering team is able to carry out recalibration of numerous engine control parameters, such as torque limiting, desired torque, fuel injection maps, boost control, and many more. Via the use of our dyno, we can accurately test these software changes to each individual car whilst data logging the engine's performance after each software revision. This process sees multiple tunes tested until optimised power and torque is achieved based on the vehicle's use. It's truly a customised tuning process. So we've now completed the custom dyno tune on the Triton. Let's check out the results. When the Triton presented to us, it had 102 kilowatts and 387 Newton meters at the rear wheels. After we completed the custom dyno tune, went to 134 kilowatts and 477 Newton meters of torque at the rear wheels. This represented about a 31% gain in peak power and 24% gain in torque. But noting down low between 1700 RPM and 1900 RPM, there was over 30% gain in torque. Another new vehicle here, custom dyno tuned at Ultimate Diesel Tuning. The owner of this Mitsubishi Triton really wanted to improve the overall performance of the vehicle, and he's certainly going to notice it today with a 31% gain in peak power. He also noticed one of the big things he complained about was the lag down low. So we've completed the custom dyno tune and completely transformed the driving experience for this vehicle. So when you're looking to custom dyno tune your car, give us a call at Ultimate Diesel Tuning or drop into one of our performance centres in Brisbane, Gold Coast or Melbourne, and make sure you subscribe to us on YouTube at Ultimate Diesel Tuning.